Wagwan Raw Fam.
Wagwan. Wagwan Raw Fam.
Welcome to another Rawsome Recipe. Today, Kadeen will be showing you how to make the Endometriosis Healing Juice, because we know it's Endometriosis Month, so we wanted to share a recipe with you that you will find useful. We know that a lot of women suffer from endometriosis.
So true.
And we want you to understand that there is healing in natural foods. So, and it helps to alleviate some of the symptoms of endometriosis. So today I am happy to be here to share with you this juice. Kadeen, thanks again for being our in-house raw chef, and I will leave this section to Kadeen, and she will call me when it's tasting time.
And it's my pleasure to be here. It is my pleasure to be here to be showing you all these recipes. Now, yes, Endometriosis Month, we can heal. You can alleviate some of the pain, and we can do it naturally. And these are some of the foods you can actually find in your kitchen, your local market, your local supermarket. Very easy, and it's just for you to know and to put it into action. So let's get into it, right? So our ingredients today are very simple again. 4 simple ingredients, or maybe 5, all right, or so, yeah. But main ingredients, we have our pineapple. Pineapple has a property called bromelain, right, which helps to relieve swelling and pain. So this is very good for you. Then we're going in with celery. And celery has properties for, antibacterial properties. It helps to reduce inflammation and also helps with fertility. Cool. Then we're going with cucumbers, which is a water-based fruit. You guys call it vegetables, but it's actually a fruit. All right. Tell them, say you learned that from me. Anyway, it's a fruit, so we're going in with a cucumber, a lot of water content, and that helps to flush the toxins out of our system. Cool. Then the super fruit, tumors, the super ones, we have turmeric and we have ginger. Both have properties to relieve pain. Good. So these are what we're going to get into, and then we're just jumping into the blender. Cool. So we're going in with our pineapples. As you do it to your taste. If you don't like the sweetness or whatever, who don't like pineapple? So we're going with about 3 cups of pineapple here. And about a cup of celery. Let's measure this out. Cup of celery. And this is about a medium-sized cucumber. We'll just put that in the blender here. And then we're going in with some small pieces of turmeric. Turmeric is very powerful, potent. The taste is very strong. So what you want to do, you don't want to overpower it with the turmeric. So we're going in with about 2 little pieces of turmeric. Again, don't be a slave to the recipe. If you love turmeric, kudos to you. All right, and then ginger, the little spice. We have to add a little spice to our life. Good, right? So we're going in with some ginger. That's a little there, and go to taste. If you like it spicy, you add more. If you don't like it spicy, you can add less ginger. And then coconut water. Again, I can't stress it enough that coconut water adds flavor and not dilute it. Water, regular water, dilutes your ingredients. Cool? It's about 2 to 3 cups in here. And we're not going to leave out our super sea moss. Again, sea moss has a lot of minerals, up to 92 minerals out of the 102 or 104 minerals. So you can imagine how powerful this is. It's a superfood for the body, helps with the immune system and boosts it. Cool? So we're going with 2 tablespoons right there. And all we're going to do is blend. So we're done blending and we are going to strain. No strainer, nut bag or cheesecloth or straining bag. And if you want one, it makes life so much easier in the juicing world. If you want one, the link is in the description below. Cool? You can go get one. Make sure you go buy it. Cool? Why do I keep saying cool? That means it must be cool. Cool, right? Alright, so we're gonna strain. Get it all in there. And all we're gonna do is massage the bag. We're gonna just massage it. Get all the juice out. Look at that. Just gonna
Mellow.
And you said the color for endometriosis is yellow. Look at that. It looks so electrifying. So you can imagine what it's going to do to your bodies. Look how quick that is. Look how quick. Straining done easy. So all you persons or people who were suffering with the strainer, all right. And there we have it. Our juice is complete. And it's going to be drinking time. Can I have this in peace? Can I have it alone?
All right.
We can't have done good. All right, I'll share for you, right. Stacia. Right?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Juice. Cheers. So good.
We're gonna call somebody to come and taste. Stephanie? Oh, it's so like you're right. This or so.
Stephanie, ready? Ready? All right, come.
You tell me the other's opinion. You know. I used to Stephanie have one or yellow already.
I mean, I have endometriosis, but I'm not surely drink.
Stephanie said she just drink it for drinking it. Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah, man.
The coconut water did justice.
Alright, go on, boy, this. Don't come back. Just a tip for those who may not be aware, you have to eat or juice your fruits ripe. R-I-P-E, ripe.
Well ripe.
Right? Yeah, we deal with raw, ripe, and wholesome. Alright.
This tastes good though. Because I'm in it.
I want to remind you all, anything that you saw any tools that you saw Kadeen used, whether it's the jug, the blender, the nut milk bag, the strainer, remember you can get it by clicking the link in the description section. Also remember that, what else more than remember?
To like,
comment, share, and subscribe, and also to watch. You're going to see 2 videos come up on screen. Watch one of them, so remember to watch another video. And also remember that if you want any of these recipes, like you want to come, you don't want to make it yourself and you're in Jamaica, come on over to Fruit Blossoms, shop 28, Portmore Pines Plaza. All right, so come to Portmore Pines Plaza if you don't want to make it by yourself, but you have the recipe now, so wherever in the world you are, you can make it on your own. And remember, watch another video. Don't leave without watching another video and leaving a comment. All right. Thanks again, Kadeen. You were awesome as usual.
right? So she's the raw boss. Everybody knows she's the raw boss. And guess what, guys? Look, I'm the fruit bee queen.
So listen, make sure, keep us, I'm saying this, if you appreciate Kadeen sharing recipes with you, if you appreciate watching all these Rawsome Recipes videos, remember to leave a comment and let us know. Share your feedback. We love hearing your feedback. Thanks again for watching, and I am out. Bye-bye.
Bye.